In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom audio not working. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check Zoom's audio settings, verify your hardware, and confirm your computer isn't blocking sound or mic access. Start by opening the Zoom app on your device and make sure you're signed in. Being logged in ensures all your settings and devices are recognized. Next, join an existing meeting or start a new one so you can test changes in real time. It's always easier to troubleshoot while you can actually hear the results. A common cause of audio issues is that Zoom is trying to use the wrong speaker or microphone. On the bottom left toolbar of your Zoom window, find the mute or unmute microphone icon. Click the small arrow next to it to open the audio menu. This is where you'll choose the exact devices Zoom should use. Under Select a Speaker, pick the output you actually want, like your headphones or your computer's built-in speakers. If you're wearing a headset but hearing sound from your laptop speakers, this is the setting to switch. Then, under Select a Microphone, choose the mic you intend to use, whether that's your headset mic or the built-in microphone on your device. If you have multiple options, pick the one you physically see or know you're speaking into. Now test everything. From that same audio menu, click Test Speaker and Microphone. Zoom will play a short ringtone so you can confirm you hear it through the correct device. Then it will check your microphone. Speak normally and watch for the input level to move. If you can't hear the ringtone or you don't see levels, use the drop-downs in the prompt to try a different speaker or mic until it works. If Zoom's settings look right but there's still no sound, the issue might be your computer's main sound controls. Make sure your system volume is turned up and not muted. Check any physical volume keys on your keyboard or your headset's volume wheel. On Windows, also open the volume mixer. Right-click the speaker icon in the system tray, choose Open Volume Mixer, and look for the Zoom Meeting app. Make sure its individual slider isn't lowered to 0 or muted. Raise it, and verify the master volume is up as well. If others still can't hear you, your operating system may be blocking microphone access. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Turn on microphone access and let apps access your microphone so Zoom can use your mic. Return to your meeting, speak again, and you should be good to go. If needed, repeat the test to confirm both playback and recording are clear.